What's up guys, Carlos here from Ungeek, and today we're gonna take a look at the Pura 80 series. A phone that promises a top-notch flagship experience that you can enjoy for years thanks to Huawei's premium service offering. In case you missed it, the Pura 80 series is Huawei's most premium lineup yet, offering cutting-edge innovation especially when it comes to photography. As we've explored in our previous Pura 80 series video, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro packs a 48-megapixel ultra-lightning macro telephoto camera with up to 100 times zoom and 5 centimeters super close focus. Thanks to this, the phone can not only capture great zoomed-in images, but is also a great device for close-up shots. Its camera setup is more than a match for flagships like the iPhone 17 Pro. And speaking of the latest iPhone, the Pura 80 Pro outdoes the 17 Pro. As it has a bigger battery with faster charging, 2nd gen Kundung glass protection, an IP68-69 rating, and bigger storage at a lower cost, all while having an impressive camera setup. Thus, the Pura 80 series is the complete flagship package. Photography and daily reliability aren't the only things Huawei focused on for the Pura 80 series. That's because the Pura 80 series comes with a comprehensive set of premium services. These reflect Huawei's commitment to enhancing the consumer experience, even long after you buy a new flagship. After-sales care is important to have for any user investing in a premium device. After all, no matter how well built a phone is, accidents can happen. For instance, you can accidentally drop your phone, and while most phones, including the Pura 80 series, should withstand some accidental drops, dropping to the floor at the wrong angle can result in a cracked screen or major nicks and dents. This is especially the case if you drop the phone on the pavement or any other hard and abrasive surface. Other potential issues for phones include battery troubles. Sometimes phones suddenly start draining their batteries faster, and not just because of normal battery degradation. Along with the battery, sometimes smartphone software can also run into some issues. When any of these things happen, it's definitely a frustrating experience. Now we've had our fair share of issues with older phones that necessitated trips to the service center, which was quite far and annoying to get to, especially when you're working a soul-crushing 9-to-5 job. With these in mind, the new Pura 80 series devices come with a suite of Huawei premium care services, offering not only a complete suite of after-sales services, but also a bunch of options that make repairs more hassle-free. For starters, users get Huawei Care Plus for 1 year when they purchase any smartphone from the Huawei Pura 80 series. This is Huawei's protection plan that offers a 1-year accidental damage protection and 1 year free battery replacement. Yes, this is for all Pura 80 device purchases, a far cry from other flagship phone protection. The Huawei Care Plus free accidental damage protection is free for 1 year and 1 time. This covers a one-time repair for the main board, front and back cover, and camera failure due to accidental damage. Users will only need to pay 1,299 pesos per component. However, all other parts are repaired for free during the one-time 1-year period. With this, you won't have to worry about accidental drops that may damage your phone's cameras or internals. Now, if you run into battery issues, Huawei Care Plus also comes with a free battery replacement. That is, if the Pura 80 phone's battery health drops below 85% during the first year. So if your battery starts to get depleted faster, you can simply skedaddle on to that service center and have it inspected. And if the battery health has deteriorated noticeably, it will be swapped for free. Overall, these protections can save users up to 34,000 pesos in repair and maintenance costs. But that's not all Huawei is offering in its premium service suite, though. Pura 80 series devices are also protected from factory defects throughout Asia Pacific, including Malaysia, the Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, and Cambodia. This means users can get support in all the mentioned countries even if they buy their phone in the Philippines. To top it all off, Huawei Pura 80 series users get priority service for their device. With this, users of Huawei's flagship lineup will get priority for device repairs when they visit a service center. For users who can't get to a service center because fate is a cruel mistress, Huawei is offering free collection and delivery. Thanks to this, courier delivery and returns are provided after repair, with no shipping fee for the repair services that fall within the warranty period. As with Huawei Care Plus, all these other premium services are free with every Pura 80 series purchase, giving users extra peace of mind and at no extra cost. To further give users extra peace of mind, especially now that the holiday season is in full swing, Huawei has a new Service Giving Season promo happening right now. And this is great to have since problems with your devices can really dampen the Christmas mood. The Service Giving Season is happening from October 10 to December 31, 2025. During the promo period, Huawei is waiving labor fees for out-of-warranty repair services for one time only. Thanks to this, if you have any Huawei device that's out of warranty, you'll only need to spend on replacement parts. These repair options are great for devices that suffer from software trouble, as well as damaged speaker units or camera modules. Mobile devices aren't the only ones part of the offer though, as wearables are also included. So if you have a scratched or damaged watch band, you can also get repairs and parts. Repairs aren't the only thing you can expect with this promo, as it also features a complimentary gift with each repair. These include a charging cable or adapter. Plus, discounts on an array of accessories are also up for grabs. Thanks to these offers, not only can you get wallet-free repairs, but you'll also have a selection of mobile, tablet, and laptop accessories to enhance your device experience. To sum it up, the Pura 80 series from Huawei promises a flagship photography experience, all while enjoying an array of premium services for extra protection and peace of mind, all for free. Aside from the free accidental damage protection for one time within 1 year and free battery replacement within 1 year, users can also enjoy region-wide warranty and priority service, complete with free courier delivery and return options. Overall, you get extra peace of mind with Huawei Premium Services and Huawei Care. These offers are part of Huawei's commitment to ensuring that users can enjoy an exceptional experience with Huawei flagships long after purchase. If you need help with your device and want to get repairs done, you can go to the Huawei official website or contact Huawei customer service via the following hotlines. You can also contact the official Huawei Messenger from Monday to Sunday, 24/7. Finally, you can reach support via the My Huawei app by going to Support and then Benefits.